Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino from Starbucks. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, half a cup of milk, and about 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce. Don't forget ice, whipped cream, and some crunchy caramel sugar topping. Also, have your blender and a tall glass ready. Now let's create the delicious base. In your blender, combine 1 cup of cold coffee, half a cup of milk, and a generous amount of ice. Next, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite caramel sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar for sweetness. Blend everything together until it's perfectly smooth and creamy, with no icy bits remaining. With your base ready, it's time to assemble this delightful drink. First, take your tall glass and drizzle some dark caramel sauce around the inside walls. This creates a beautiful visual and adds extra flavor. Carefully pour your blended coffee mixture into the prepared glass. Then, generously top it off with a swirl of whipped cream. To complete your masterpiece, add the signature finishing touches. Drizzle another layer of dark caramel sauce over the whipped cream. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of crunchy caramel sugar topping for that authentic texture and extra sweetness. Your homemade caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino is now ready. Serve it immediately and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.